Yung ating mga kasama sa bahay, do we give them decent salaries? Kasi karamihan sa kanila, mga IP yan. Galing sila kung saan. Yung mga lumalabas, puro IP yan eh. Isipin mo lang to ha. Bakit lumalabas yung mga IP? Dahil wala naman silang oportunidad dito eh. Pero mantakay mo, paglabas nila yan, pinapasok sila, pinaplansya, sinusuntok. And I'll tell you why. Kasi, galing sila sa kabukiran ng Cotabato, kung saan-saan man. Pupupuntahin mo sa Dubai, the most modern city in the world. Maayos pa gagawin mo sila ng kape sa isang espresso maker. Eh malay mo mukhang rocket ship yung gumagawa ng kape, di ba? Eh talagang masisira niya yan. And it's not a question of equipping those people. What I'm saying is, closer at hand. Kaya ako sinabi kanina, bakit abala-abala tayo sa mga foreign territories? Fine, that's true. But we should be educating our children. We should be teaching them literary finance. We should be teaching them. For example, we should make sure that our young people are ang gagaling na mga kabataan natin, ha? Ang gagaling ng mga kabataan. We should be teaching them innovation about IT and everything so that we can have better agriculture, so that we can have better marketing, so that we can do all of these things. How do we reduce the poverty? Provide jobs. How do you provide jobs? Provide them decent education. How do you provide decent education? Give them enough food para hindi ma-stunt yung mga bata. Let's go back to the basics. Let's go back to the basics before we go into the intergalactic world of social justice. Let us take care of our own people. Let's make sure that, yung isa pa, yung katulad ng, of course, yung sasabihin ng mga tao, yung tawag ito, yung tithing, tsaka honoring, yung ikapo na, Old Testament na yan. Yeah, but do we give? Hindi ba? I mean, do we share? Kasi hindi nga 10%, 100% na nga eh. 100%. Like for example, yung katulong mo, panay ang advance. Bakit? Kasi nga, pinapaaral niya, wala silang panustos, wala silang pambili ng bigas, walang pambayad ng kuryente. So ang sinasabi ko, let's do what we can in our own circle of influence. And then as the Lord expands it, let's do that. And many of us here have areas of influence, I'm sure. Commodore has a lot of influence. But anyway, going back. So yun lang, medyo, hopefully nasagot, no? Hopefully nasagot.